Hello, my name is Tobias Wentzler and I'm Business Development Manager at DJI Enterprise. DJI is the global leader in developing and manufacturing innovative drone and camera technology for commercial and recreational use. Here at INTERGEO, we are delighted to be amongst the leading mapping and surveying companies, where DJI has certainly set a new standard in the unmanned aerial surveying segment with the DJI Phantom 4 RTK. We keep on improving our products by continuously listening to our customers all over the world. So we extended the P4 RTK with an inbuilt PPK cloud surveys with terrain following and multi-drone coordination capabilities. And we also updated the DRTK 2.0 base station so that it can now be used as a handheld RTK rover. On top, DJI made investments to offer fully integrated photogrammetry and fleet management software solutions, such as DJI Terra or Flight Hub, with which industry end users can now easily feed their application software with reliable and high-quality drone data. Find out more about DJI Enterprise Solutions on our content-rich website at dji.com.